Okay, if you want your body weight pull-ups to transfer to your weighted pull-ups, then it all comes down to how you train your body weight pull-ups. So form and technique matter for transferability. If you prioritize getting strong with good technique on your body weight reps, you will be at a huge advantage when you start adding weight. Not only do well-controlled reps force you to lift the whole weight of your body without the assistance of momentum, which is going to build more strength, but they force you to load your muscles through more range of motion, which is important because strength is somewhat specific to the range of motion through which you train it. Now, there are some caveats to this for sure, and it's not like there's no carryover into ranges of motion that you don't train, but just in general, you get stronger in the positions that you train in. Now, if you've been neglecting the bottom of the pull-up, if you haven't been training the ability to pull from a dead stop at the end of your range of motion, then you're probably going to be weak there. And when you throw some weight on, that weight will literally pull you into that range of motion that you've been avoiding, and you're going to find yourself pinned to the bottom of the pull-up. Like you can't even get the pull-up started. But this is easily mitigated by simply training in that range of motion. You just have to spend more time at the bottom of your reps. You can pause down there. You can learn to pull and generate force from that lengthened and open position. And you can dead hang it or you can maintain tension down there. It doesn't really matter. But you want to get comfortable pulling from the end of your range of motion. So when a weight stretches you into that position, you're actually going to be strong enough to pull yourself out of it. Well-controlled body weight reps that move through a full range of motion, from a dead hang to chin over the bar, maybe with a pause at the top. Work up to double digits of those, and you're going to find that your weighted reps are going to be respectable even if you never train them. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.